If you have seen my previous video on lamb squatters, we grew them from seeds and in 6 weeks we got this. In this video, we'll see how it grew after that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description and you can check it out. One more week has passed and our plants are growing well. They get a couple of hours of morning sun and I water it every day. I just want to make sure that, the leaves, they don't droop or anything. So it's been about 8 weeks that we planted the seeds of lamb squatters, and you can see that these plants are more than a foot tall, some of them, and some of them are, getting there. Obviously, the ones that are small, they don't get enough light, and that's why they are not growing that well. But, some of the plants are doing really good. And actually, they have been ready to be harvested for some time now, but I just was lazy. And I recently noticed that, some of these have started bolting. You can see these flowers developing. So probably the weather is still hot for them, but that's fine. Now, I'll just cut them, use them, and that way, these flowers will also go away and they are edible. So there's no issue there. So I'm just leaving about 3-4 inches at the bottom for all the plants which are of reasonable size. But this tells you that this is a cool weather plant. That's why right now the temperatures in the daytime, they are in 80s, although it is already fall. So it has bolted so quickly, but that doesn't matter. We will prune it and it will grow further, and then we'll prune it again. So we'll get a few harvests from these plants, and then we will start fresh plants. And then I'm also going to show you how to cook them, because very often people ask me that, okay, it is good for us and we can grow it easily, but how do we use it? So I'm going to show you a few things that you can do with this lamb squatters. But for now, I started a little bit early because I wanted to show you guys that you should start thinking about it. And it is still a little warm here, and that's why they have bolted. But look at this, we got a good harvest here. So I'm going to prepare another video where I'll show you how to cook this. So it is pretty straightforward. You plant the seeds, they require partial sun and cooler weather, at least around, if the maximum is around 70, that is the best. And so this is perfect for fall or in early spring. And you just keep watering it, keep the soil moist, just make sure that it doesn't get scorched or it is not too dry, and it will just grow happily. And then you can prune it from the top, and very soon you will see that these have started growing back again, and we can use them again. We can again prune them and keep on doing it for at least 3-4 times, and then you can start a new crop. And to reach this level, it took us around 8 weeks, although at 6 weeks it was ready to be harvested. So I hope this was inspirational to you, and you will try to plant lamb squatters, because greens are always good to include in your diet. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.